Hi guys. All right, so I have been working on this piece for a while now, and let me just explain to you. It's got a little bit of a gold tone on the Prussian blue, and that is Golden's iridescent gold fine, and I rubbed that into a textured painted base, so it's super pretty. And these are half rounds, and I gold leafed them and then I sealed them, and then they've been adhered to the canvas. And my plan is to do a dustpan pour across the top and let it drip down, hopefully around those bulbs, but we'll see what comes out of it. Sorry, I'm a little out of focus here. I don't know why. But yeah, so that is my plan. Let's see if we can execute this. I'm going to actually be using 2 dustpans throughout the process, I think, and go from there. So hopefully this all works out, and yeah, I'm just excited to try this, and we will see you in a few minutes. So today we're on the floor again. And I'm working on a 30 by 40 inch canvas. It's a mixed media piece that I started a while back. And now I just want to finish it to some extent. So I'm using, I think, visually you can see 2 dustpans. So we'll be for certain on that in just a few minutes, because I'm not exactly sure how to execute this in the most successful way. So if it doesn't work out, you may or may not be seeing this video, but please have mercy on me. So, all right, so the colors I'm gonna be using are Blick Acrylic Fluorescent Violet. I absolutely love this. I have the 24K Gold. I know a lot of people have said that they don't like this color, but it adds a bit of pop to the piece, and sometimes that bit of color is what makes it. So that's what we're going to be doing. I have the white, Prussian blue, Folk Art Color Shift Aqua, the Sky Blue Topaz by Decoart, and those are my colors. I'm gonna layer up 2 cups. I'm gonna pour them in each dustpan. This is my shiny new dustpan I got for Christmas. I'm gonna be using my old dustpan. So I'm layering both because it's gonna take, I think, a couple to get enough paint on the canvas that I want to work on. So what we're gonna do is move some of these colors out of the way so that I don't tip them over. And we are going to go ahead and layer these cups. And we're gonna start with the white. And just a little bit in each cup. I don't know if I'm on screen here, but I'll do my best. I come in with a little bit of gold drizzle in each. And then on one, I'm going to work with the bright aqua green and come over with the acrylic fluorescent violet. Now, I have the Prussian blue. I'm gonna layer that in each of them. And then we're gonna do a little bit of white. I'm gonna go with Sky Blue Topaz here. And then the Blick Acrylic on this side, because this one doesn't have any yet. Come in with some gold. I'll just finish up this one because I'm almost done with that. All right, and then we're gonna come over here. And all right, so this is where I'm at with that. I'm gonna get my paints out of the way and then we'll get ready to pour into the dustpan. All right, so first order of business. Okay, these colors are gonna go over here, these cups, and in just a second, we'll be back with the canvas in front of us. All right, I'm gonna do it elevated. I was contemplating not. Sort of freaking out a bit. All right. So I'm gonna let this down now that it's traveled where I want it to travel. And we're gonna tilt back and forth. I love this. I'm bringing off that back edge. We don't want too much paint on the canvas. Oh, this is so cool. Love it, love it, love it. I love how it went around the gold balls, and this is so neat. Whee! I cannot express how excited I am that this has turned out the way it has. So I'm gonna give it a torch. And I love the look of the pans after. I mean, that is amazing. Don't you wish we could just pull those skins right out of there? Now I'm gonna do this. So I think I'm done, and we're gonna bring you guys in just a second. All right, here we are. Like super stoked. This is so awesome. I can't wait to do this again, but I have a different plan for the next one. But I really love it. This has come out so beautiful. Definitely looking forward to the dried results. So I'm not sure if they'll be in this video, but I'll certainly try my darndest to get it in there. But yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong. So happy. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me on this day's pouring trip. And hopefully we'll see the dried results next. So stay tuned.